Everybody, Brandy here doing my comments from my Stampin' Studio today. I am going to be opening up my paper pumpkin. Yes, it arrived today and I have not seen any reveals yet, so I'm really excited to be able to open up my paper pumpkin with you like I do all the time. All right, so let me just flip the camera down below. All right, so as you know, I like to open up my paper pumpkin kit with you all every single month. And that way you can kind of get the same feeling I get when I open up the kit. And let me see here. How do we open that? Oh, yep, there it is. So this month's paper pumpkin is called Friends of a Feather. So we'll see what that entails. All right, so we've got a little notice here that something probably for next month. Yes, it says put a bow on your Christmas prep with paper pumpkin, your one-stop shop or one-stop box for holiday paper crafting. So that kind of gives you a little hint there. It's probably going to have some sort of plaid paper in there. All right, so we've got our Stampin' Spot. This month is going to be Night of Navy, which is awesome because I don't have that one yet. We've got our exclusive stamp set, which, as you know, you cannot purchase these stamps anywhere. You have to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber in order to get this. And so we've got something here that says, Friends of a Feather, stick together, get well, thinking of you, may hope make you feel lighter. There's some feathers here and then some little embellishments. All right, so let's open up our Paper Pumpkin kit. All right, let's see what we've got here. So it looks like, I turn it upside down, it looks like we've got 8 cards, and those are really pretty. So let me go ahead and open it up. And I love the color scheme, color palette that they're using. I gotta be careful I don't cut anything with my scissors. And I'll put the box to the side. All right. So let's see here. We've got 4 card fronts here. Oh, no, actually, these are envelopes. I'm sorry, my bad. These are envelopes, and they've got a pretty design on the inside. That's nice. And then it looks like they have a little white out space here to be able to write somebody's name on it. Then here we've got, let's see here. Oh, these look like card bases, and they have like a little delicate die cut on the edge there. That's pretty cool. And then we've got what appears to be a card base with a die cut. And I imagine you're going to put a color of paper or something on the back of that. Let's see here. Let's see. Well, I don't know. Let me see here. Nope, that doesn't fit. Well, let's just continue on. So we've got this paper that's tri-folded here. Oh, here it is. There's the color that goes behind it. Isn't that pretty? I love that. It's kind of like a watered colored wash. I bet that's fresh fig. Yeah, I bet that's fresh fig. Let's have to look at the colors. This, I bet, is, what's it called? Cajun Craze, I bet, if I had to guess. So here's some die cuts, some flowers and some leaves. What we got here? We've got some, looks like some tags, die cuts. We have some different color die cuts. We've got kind of the pool party, maybe, of the flower, or not the flowers, but the feathers. We've got some, oh, that die cut looks like it fell out. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Oops. And it looks like it got a little mangled. It's okay. I'll doctor it up. All right. And then we've got Night of Navy here. Some leaves and stuff. Some die cuts. And we've got some more of, I think this is probably Calypso. Yeah, I bet this is Calypso. And it looks like we've got some feathers And some more of those leaf die cuts, which appear to be very delicate, so got to be careful with that. We've got some oval tags there. Then we have some really pretty tags here that are kind of the same pattern that I saw in the back of the envelope. So it's kind of the same pattern, yeah. And then we have some purple envelopes here. So this one looks to be, that is, let me see my ruler. So that's going to be about 6.5 by 4.5, that the envelope size is anyway. And this is going to be your standard 4.25 by 5.5 note card, I would guess. Let's measure and see. Oh, no, I'm wrong. This is 3 3/4 by 5.5. So those are unique sizes there. All right, and don't forget, we've got our little embellishments that they put in the kit. You literally don't need anything extra to make these projects. Everything comes included. So we've got some baker's twine that looks like it's got a little copper filament in there. We've got our mini glue dots. Looks like we've got some gold or copper looking sequins. Of course, we've got our dimensional dots. And then it looks like they've got some ribbon in here that has got some like a herringbone or chevron pattern of gold filaments. That's pretty. And then, of course, we have our instructions here. And let's see what those colors are. Cajun Craze. Yes, I was right. Coastal Cabana. Okay, so that is very close to the pool party, which is probably why I mistook it. But we've got Crumb Cake, of course, with our card bases here. Fresh Fig. Grapefruit Grove, which, oh, that's this color. It's kind of that orangey color. It's an in color this year. And then, of course, Night of Navy. How pretty. That's awesome. Great. All right. Well, let me go ahead and flip the camera over. All right. Well, there you have it. There is the Paper Pumpkin Kit for October, and what a beautiful card set it is. I will probably make those into gift cards or gift sets to give to somebody for Christmas. And speaking of Christmas, I do have a Christmas card swap that's coming up in November. I will post the link down below for you to get the details on how you can participate on that. Basically, all you do is create 5 Christmas cards with Stampin' Up! Products, all of the same design, so you don't have to even come up with 5 different designs, just one design, 5 different cards. You basically send those into me, and then I send you back out 5 cards in exchange. I do the swap. All right. So I'll put a link down below, and you can get all the details there on my blog post. All right. Well, if you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, please do me a favor and hit the like button. Also, do subscribe so you get notified every time I upload a new video. All right. Life happens. I comment. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.